Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Telstar telephone by Western Electric. It's also known as the 007 telephone, James Bond. And Kelly sent this in for her dad, Joe, and they're from Michigan. And this telephone here, we've done an earlier video of it. The reason why this telephone came in was because of the modular plug was broken apart from the handset cord. And it's a retractable, and your retractable is in here. And it's a pretty common problem. I don't know where you can get these cords at. I guess if you searched long enough and paid enough money, you could probably find one. But what we did in this case was we went ahead and repaired it. Now this is a very difficult repair because these 4 conductors in this little tiny molded line here, you have to peel apart. It's just a very difficult design. The way they made it, and they have like a little bracket on the back of it, and it looks a little different than it did from the factory now because we had to secure everything so that our wire, our handset cord, does not pull out of our modular plug. And I wanted to make it a little longer than it was, but you have to be careful because once it's plugged into the handset, it has to be able to clear the case, the little roll top that closes. So you have to, you only can make it so long. I wanted to give you a look at this telephone while we were in it. I had to go into it because of the hook switch. I wanted to add an extra spring to it to get the hook switch. The hook switch was having a little bit of a hard time coming back up. Now, sometimes this plastic will warp a little bit. You can't really see it or tell, but the hook switch was sticking on it when I was working on it, so it's just as easy to go in and repair it now. Wanted to give you a little look. We have our retractable here, and then what we have is our bell. And you can see that it has like a bell out of a mini wall telephone in it, and they put these in a lot of the Western Electric telephones, a little round bell, and then our network, and then our hook switch, and that's all repaired up now. But this gives you a little bit of look if you've never seen the inside of one of these telephones. I know someone's been in this telephone before because it was missing one of the screws in the top of the body here, and I guess they could have left it out from the factory, but you just never know. It seemed like you don't know. They could have left it out. Maybe somebody left it out when they were in it. If they were inside this telephone for some reason, I don't see exactly what they would have done. Maybe the cord's been replaced in the past. Who knows? But this is a Telstar telephone, the 007 telephone, and that gives you a little bit of a look at the inside of this telephone. It's a pretty cool telephone. Just a very highly collectible telephone, and very sought after. A lot of people looking for this telephone here, and the parts are just like really super hard to find. And so anyway, we'll do a final video of this telephone when I finally get it all back together again, and we'll do some final checks on it and make sure it's dialing out and everything's working properly, and we have transmit, receive, and all that. So this is just kind of like in the middle of the road here with this repair, and gives you a little look of the inside of this telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.